If you like to entertain, this is the perfect house for you. Let me show you why. The wow factor happens as soon as you step inside and see the open floor plan and the stunning architecture. And what party is complete without an amazing kitchen? This island will hold all of your platters of food, and any chef would be delighted to cook at this wonderful gas stove. The wet bar is in a great location, so you can serve your guests their favorite beverage. The best part is the indoor-outdoor space, where you can hang out and entertain family and friends. And what a great place to hang out when the weather is perfect, like today. I can't wait for you to see this amazing property for yourself.